Are you tired of the mundane everyday routine? Do you ever feel like running wild in a field without a care in the world? If so, you may be craving some frolicking. Frolicking is a fun and playful behavior that involves energetic and lively movements. It's often associated with joy, excitement, and freedom. So, what does frolicking mean, and why is it such a popular pastime? Frolicking is defined as to play and move about cheerfully, excitedly, or energetically, according to the Oxford English Dictionary. The behavior typically involves jumping, skipping, dancing, or running around in a carefree manner. Frolicking can be done alone, with friends, or even with pets. It's a great way to let off steam, release stress, and enjoy the moment. So, what are some examples of frolicking? Imagine running through a meadow of flowers, splashing in a puddle on a rainy day, or jumping on a trampoline. These activities are all forms of frolicking and allow us to engage our playful side. But what about when someone says no frolicking allowed? Does that mean the end of fun and games? Not necessarily. When someone says no frolicking, they're often referring to a situation where it's not appropriate to be overly jovial or energetic. This could be in a formal setting, during a serious conversation, or when others are trying to concentrate. It's important to be mindful of others' feelings and adjust our behavior accordingly. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for frolicking. Some common ones include romping, gambling, prancing, cavorting, and capering. Each of these words captures the playful and lively nature of frolicking. So, the next time you're feeling spontaneous and want to try something new, consider using one of these words to describe your intentions. In addition to being a fun pastime, frolicking can have some health benefits as well. It's a great way to get some exercise, improve mood, and boost creativity. By engaging in playful activities, we allow our minds and bodies to relax and recharge. This can ultimately lead to greater productivity and a more positive outlook on life. So, what are some Ziggy's slang? Ziggy's is actually not a common term, but it could be a reference to Ziggy Stardust, the alter ego of David Bowie. Ziggy Stardust was known for his flamboyant style and energetic performances, which could be considered a form of frolicking. Lastly, let's discuss a fancy word for embarrass. The word mortify is often used to describe feelings of extreme embarrassment or humiliation. Mortification can occur when we experience a public failure, make a mistake, or behave in a socially unacceptable way. While it's not always pleasant, mortification can help us learn from our mistakes and become better people in the long run. Frolicking is a fun and playful behavior that can bring joy and excitement to our lives. Whether we're running through a field, dancing with friends, or simply laughing out loud, frolicking allows us to let loose and enjoy the moment. So, the next time you feel like letting your hair down, embrace your inner child and frolic away.